During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives. Simply place it under the car seat or above the trunk. Your windows won't fog up, even in winter. Foggy windows can be a nuisance. If your car has too much moisture, this trick will come in handy. Put it in a carafe or jar and stretch it over the opening. Prepare some dry, white rice. Pour it into the inside of a sock. Rice has brilliant properties as a natural water absorber. Additionally, it eliminates unpleasant odors. Tie the end of the sock with an elastic band. Place the prepared sock in the car. You can tuck it under the seats. If you're dealing with a foggy rear window, place it on the parcel shelf above the trunk. There's no airflow in that area, so the rice will effectively handle the condensation. Although this trick may seem simple, it really works. Replace the rice in the sock once a month. Are you having trouble with your car doors freezing? This trick will solve it in seconds. During winter, door seals can stiffen, stick, or even crack. The plastic parts can be damaged in sub-zero temperatures. That's why, in the early days of winter, it's essential to lubricate them. You can use regular cosmetic Vaseline for this task. Apply the product to your finger and lubricate the seals with it. This will make them firm and resistant to frost. Make sure to thoroughly apply the Vaseline to the seals on the doors as well. Do you have Vaseline at home? Did you know you can use it for car care? A simple potato can work wonders, especially in winter. Take a potato half and rub it on your car windows. The starch it leaves behind prevents water and snow from sticking, proving invaluable during intense precipitation. This trick ensures a clear view without streaks from rain, enhancing overall road safety. Take WD-40 and spray it on that car part, ideally before the coldest weather hits. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. WD-40, with its multiple uses, proves valuable to keep in your car during winter. If you've dealt with frozen locks in freezing temperatures, you know regular de-icers don't always cut it. That's why a preemptive spray of WD-40 on the lock can work wonders. It quickly fills the lock's internal components, safeguarding it from water and freezing. Taking just a few seconds, this task can spare you plenty of frustration on frosty winter mornings.
I always have a fork and some foam in my car. It may seem strange, but thanks to this, my grandparents are very grateful for how I help them. Let me show you how it works. Start by taking a regular fork and sticking it into the area near the car door hinge. Then bend the fork in the opposite direction so that it has the right shape and fits the spot. Take a piece of foam. My foam is a bit too long, so I need to trim it to the right length. Once the foam is the correct size, place it inside the fork to create a stable base. Now it's time for cable ties. Secure everything tightly so that the fork and foam are firm and stay in place. After this step, the whole setup will be stable and ready to use. Your holder is ready. Now you can rest easy because everything is securely fixed. Your grandparents will be proud. Now you have your own homemade holder that will come in handy in any situation. What's more, it only takes a moment, and the results are truly surprising. Thanks to this, I got rid of scratches on my car. Every driver knows how easy it is to get small scratches on the bodywork. Luckily, there's a simple way to remove them without expensive visits to the body shop. You only need 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil has lubricating and protective properties, creating a thin layer that smooths the surface of the paint. Next, add half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that dissolves dirt and helps even out the paint's texture. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat for about a minute until the coconut oil completely melts. Your mixture is ready. Now grab a soft cloth. preferably microfiber, that won't scratch the paint. Soak the cloth in the mixture and gently rub it into the scratches on the car. With this method, small scratches will disappear for good, and your car will look beautiful again. Try this trick and enjoy a shiny bodywork without unnecessary costs. Don't throw away old newspapers. They're a winter lifesaver for your car. Scraping ice, unreliable de-icers, and freezing hands are a daily struggle for many drivers. But there's a simple and cheap solution. Lay old newspapers over your windshield and secure them with the wipers. They act as a protective barrier, preventing frost and ice buildup. In the morning, just remove the papers and your windshield is clear. No scraping, no wasted time. Every morning, I take a thermos with me in the car, an absolute lifesaver in winter. This simple trick is not only effective, but also saves time and effort, especially on freezing mornings. All you need is a Ziploc bag, filled with very warm water and sealed tightly to prevent leaks. Instead of spending long minutes scraping ice off your windshield, which can be exhausting and even damage the glass, simply glide the warm water-filled bag over the frozen surface. The ice melts instantly, saving you from using uncomfortable scrapers or expensive chemical de-icers. The best part? The bag works with precision. You can literally see the ice disappear upon contact with the warmth. Move it gently from top to bottom for an even melt across the entire windshield. Within minutes, your car windows are clear and ready for the road. This hack is a game changer for anyone who has little time in the morning and wants a quick, hassle-free solution. Have you tried it before? A young mom showed me this trick. It makes traveling easier for everyone. Start by completely removing the headrest from your car seat. Car headrests are designed for easy removal. Next, take a Ziploc bag and place it sideways where the headrest rods go into the seat, with the opening on the side. Use a pen to poke holes in the bag where the rods will go through. Make 3 rows of holes. Now, reinsert the headrest into its original position. Simply slide your phone into the bag through the side opening, and you have an instant hands-free screen holder. This simple hack allows you or your passengers to watch movies, shows, or cartoons comfortably in a horizontal position. In just a few minutes, you'll have a practical and budget-friendly phone holder, no extra purchases or tools needed, easy, cheap, and functional. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes, they're after what's inside your car. Other times, they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars, so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble.